Play. Okay, that looks like a bear. Oh, that's a painting. Okay, this looks like painting. That bear, or I don't know what it's called. That was okay. Lion is looking good too. Is that on wood? I think so. That bear was looking cool. Hey, okay, what's that? Fashion designing? I don't. Yeah, of course. She's making some cloth type of thing, miniature clothes. I don't know. Okay, yeah, of course. That's a miniature thing, and finally, of course, that looks too good. You can create a big one through watching this only. You can have idea what type of clothes you want. In fashion designing, of course, that's an art too. Too good art. That is okay. There's just smaller clothes. Uh, okay, it's connected with the big gown type of thing. One was looking cool. Two, it's good too, but one was good. Play. Oh, that handwriting, bro. Too much of perfections in one video. I used to use those calligraphy pencils, and I used to draw this type of pen, not draw, write this type of calligraphy. And second grade ABCD, I say that it looking too amazing. To play. Okay, what's that? Okay, that looks like a satisfying art video. Editing is an art too. You should understand that. Ah, perfectly matching those cutouts. Hey, okay, it looks like butterfly. Oh, that's a human. Human. Oh, that looks too total like butterfly, but that's a human. Too good.